Hey, how's it going? My name's Ramon Vasquez. I'm known as Ralu the Barber. I'm 44 years old. I was looking to get with the best in the business for SMP, and I found leaders with Ivan and Jeff. And man, I just finished up my day today, did my first model, and got nothing but good things to say about these people, man. These people are, they run a tight ship. They're real knowledgeable. They broke everything down in layman's terms, and they broke it down after that, and then they broke it down after that. Ivan's way of teaching is, man, great for me, and I'm pretty sure for everybody else. I have a great experience here, man. Love the place. They welcomed me with open arms. Actually gave me a master class. I appreciate that, and broke down everything to me, and everything that he gave me, I'm just gonna study, and I know I'm gonna be ready to apply this SMP to my community and work in a safe environment and show people what SMP is really about. And I'm totally grateful and gratitude to Jeff and Ivan.